Alright guys, so here I'm opening the box to show you what's inside. I recorded this video without sound, but here I'm changing this light because I broke that piece of metal of glass with a review that I was doing with a bat. And here is what it brings. It has a bag full of nuts and electrical nuts and screws that you need to change. It has three bases, metal. They're really nice, and brings the plate that you change, and you need to use them to install them. It has three of them, and then here is the actual lights. It's doing it one hand, so that's why it's taking so long. But yeah, there is a plug that you use for the bulb. That's the one that you're gonna run all the way to the top when you install them. And these lights are actual glass. It's not cheap made. They're really nice glass. And here I already took them all out, so you can see that this glass is really nice. They're really cool. And then it brings extra ones. And here's what we're gonna install. You just take those two screws, put them in there, and that's why we're just gonna hold them up. And it's nice, and this one is silver. You just take those rods and screw them together, the width or the length that you want them, and then you just screw them together. There's three of them, but you can use one that is shorter to make it shorter, or if you just want one, you can do that. You can make it as long or as short as you want. So it brings all three for the 3-pack, and you can just do whatever you want with them. So let's install them real quick and see how it looks. Looks easy. It's 3 cable tubes, or the cable through the tube, and then this has a screw on the bottom. You take it off the glass into the inside, and then I didn't have a low voltage bulb, so I just use a regular bulb. Looks now, and this one I'm gonna change it to. So help. Thank you for watching.